In this video, we will look at how to get started with EZmotion's MotionLAB GUI software to support and configure our all-in-one servo motors and drive modules. Here's an MMS742 all-in-one servo motor. To connect this to the MotionLAB software, we would need an EZmotion RS485 communication module. This can be purchased from our website, EZmotion.co. Using the RS485 connector on the back of the servo motor, connect the A, B, and ground pins to the A, B, and ground pins on the communication module. Next, use the USB cable to connect the communication module to a Windows computer that has the MotionLAB Graphic User Interface, or GUI, software installed. MotionLAB is available to download on our website for free at EZmotion.co. Once the communication connections are complete, the power connector is used to provide a rated DC voltage to the servo using an external DC power supply. After turning on the power supply, a green LED should appear on the servo motor indicating that the servo is now powered on, after which a communication success message appears on the MotionLAB status bar. This indicates that the servo motor has successfully established communication with MotionLAB software. You've now successfully connected and started up the MotionLAB GUI. Later videos in this series will offer more details on how to use the GUI and configure EZmotion's servo motors and drive modules. To learn more, visit EZmotion.co. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to get the latest on our innovative motion control solutions.